Okay. See, mathematical tools may first be done completely basic trigonometry done. Okay. Next, we are going for the second mathematical tool, differentiation. We are going like sequence, differentiation, integration, and algebra. So वो graphs वगैरह रहेगा. That all will be done. It will be easy for you. Okay. So the new topic which we are dealing is nothing but differentiation. The new topic which we are dealing is differentiation. Okay. Come on. The later differentiation. See, this is a mathematical tool, Rehan, new mathematical tool, trigonometry done, basic trigonometry done. We are doing differentiation. थोड़ा hard वाला है topic. Okay, understand करो. Differentiation. So what do you mean by differentiation? Tell me. What do you know, Nick? Tell me. Carly?
Smaller versions of the equation.
Smaller
Versions.
versions है मतलब
Reducing the equation.
ऐसा नहीं है. रोड नहीं पढ़ा है उसको कॉलेज में नहीं बोला था.
No, they didn't tell the meaning. They started.
Yeah, actually, differentiation, how we use differentiation, you have to understand. Suppose car is going with different speeds. Car is going with different speeds. Okay. I want instant time में speed चाहिए. The differentiation will help. At particular instant में, what is the speed we can find by using differentiation. That is the purpose. Okay. Point slope find करने के लिए we are going to use differentiation. Majorly कहानी पूरा स्लोप का कहानी. स्लोप that to which slope? Point slope find करने की. Not average slope find करने की जरूरत नहीं. Point slope a particular instant में we can find by using this differentiation method. Okay. So before differentiation we have to know the small difference. Finite difference क्या है? देखो. Suppose मान लो we have two values like 100 and 50. What is the change in y is nothing but 50. What is the change in y here? 1. What is the change in y? 0.5. This we denote as delta. Delta. Okay, delta means change in y. So this is a finite difference. Finite difference between two values of physical quantity is represented by delta. So when now delta is there, that means क्या है? Change. Change. It can be x में change होने के chances है, or it may be y also. Okay, short form में लिख लो, no need of writing theoretical. Just write the short form. That a finite difference is called, we represent as denoted as delta. One example you can write. Y2 is 100, y1 is 50. Change in delta y is nothing but 100 minus 50. Okay. No. Yeah. Okay. Short form लिख लो, no need of writing theoretical. Okay. No. Infinitely small difference. Infinitely small difference में, for example, I'm saying, देखो, infinitely small difference means very, very small difference. And this difference is represented by D instead of delta. Very small difference को we represent in physics में D. This is the differentiation. So कैसे represent करेगा देखो. The small means क्या है? Tell me. Suppose y2 is 100. y1 is 99.9999 is there. If you subtract, okay, the difference ko we should not write delta. Here we should write dy, because if you subtract 0.001 रहेगा ना, so this very small difference ko we call as dy. Dy is nothing but differentiation. Okay, so first you have to understand delta means क्या है, dy is क्या है. Okay, delta means change in y. Here क्या होगा? Small change in y. Very close. That's it. Y2 example, y1, and subtract किया तो dy will represent.
Can you go back once? Like, I just need to write the values.
Just one example write. That's it. जब कहानी आगे है, just write the example.
Yeah, done.
Here also write the example. Y2 is 100, y1 is 99.99 dot dot dot. If you subtract 0.00 dot 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 0, last में 0.1 तक आएगा. In that way, we represent as dy. Small change in y is dy. Okay. Let's write the example. No need of theoretical. Yeah, Anushuda. Let's write the
Wait,
example.
D is the difference, like between 100 and 99.
dy is a change in small difference value. dy represent. Okay. Before larger value में finite difference है तो delta use करेंगे. If it is very small, we should use dy. Okay. Next.
Okay, one sec. Y2. Yeah, done.
Now, majorly, differentiation is also called as derivative. बोलते हैं. Derivative of बोलते हैं, differentiation both are same. Okay. So, how to write the differentiation में? Differentiation देखो, differentiation means finding the rate of change or slope of a curve at a point. At a point को find करने के लिए we are using differentiation. Rate of change बोलते हैं. Rate of change को find करने के लिए we are using differentiation. Example मान लो, suppose मान लो a given function y is equal to f of x. It can be any function, sine, log, cos, anything, any function. Then how to write differentiation? dy by dx, different as dy by dx. What is dy is small change in y and dx is small change in x. So differentiation is nothing but dy by dx and उसका purpose एक ही है to find a point slope. एक slope find करने के लिए we are using this differentiation. पूरा मत लिखो, just write the example, just write definition, and y equal f of x means differentiation is dy by dx. We should write like this. Differentiation of y with respect to x is denoted by a symbol dy by dx. That's it. What come लिखो? Normally, you know how to find slope, right? ये तो मालूम है ना? How to find slope? Tell me.
Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus
X minus
X1.
X1. So what is slope? Tell me. X-axis से
Gradient.
how much angle the line is there? उसका tan theta is called slope. This one you understood, right? इसका tan is called slope. And what is slope का formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or we can write as delta y by delta x. Right? This is the basic slope you know already. Tan theta is nothing but slope. Because देखो trigonometry में if I use tan theta, this is change in y by change in x. This is the value of slope. Right? Now देखो. But differentiation is straight line, uniform, constant slope. We are not finding. We are not using differentiation. कब use करेंगे? When the slope is continuously changing. उस time में we are using differentiation. Okay. Okay. Now to understand थोड़ा differentiation में आपको secant and tangent you have to know. What is secant means? Let me study it. Secant means
1 by cos.
ऐसा नहीं है secant. Secant and tangent. Secant means if a line touching the curve at 2 points, that is called secant. If a line touching the curve at 2 points is called as secant. Tangent means if a line touching at 1 point is called as tangent. Okay. अब देखो, we have our intention क्या है? Suppose मान लो you have the graph like this. Then how to find slope? Your slope is changing, right? Everywhere changing. देखो, suppose इस point का slope I want. Just draw a tangent. This is called tangent, right? The line touching at 1 point is called tangent. This is theta. This is called slope of this point. If you want to find the slope here, draw a tangent, and this is a slope. Slope is changing or not? Slope is changing or not? At this time, how to find the slope? How to find the slope? Okay. So उसके लिए point slope find करने के लिए, because slope is changing every point of time में, मुझे exactly इस point में चाहिए बोलो differentiation will help.
Like
बाद में पूरा formula based on, this is the formula based only. Just understand basic meaning of differentiation. Differentiation we will use only when we are trying to find a point slope. एक point में slope find करने के लिए we have to use differentiation. That's it. Okay. Now see. Suppose they given a curve like this. This is a curve. I want to find a slope. Slope के लिए क्या करने का? Compulsory 2 points are required, right? 2 points are required to find slope. So what I'm taking is this point, 1 point I took on the curve, which is cutting the curve, 1 point, and other point I took, which is cutting the curve. Okay, एक कर्व के ऊपर I'm taking 2 points because we required slope के लिए आपको 2 points चाहिए. And this line is called as secant. This line is called as secant because the line which is touching at 2 points on the curve is called secant. Okay. Now, इसका coordinate is what? इसका coordinate is what? X comma y is the coordinate x comma y. And what is the coordinate of Q? If I went delta x and if I went delta y here to here. So what is the coordinate? Tell me here. X plus delta x, comma. What is y coordinate will be? Total y will be, this is y right here to here. What is y coordinate? Y plus delta y. Right? Now this is a coordinate you understood, right? Yeah, understood this coordinate.
Yeah, I've learned this before.
Now how to find the slope? We know already. How to find the slope? That slope of the line PQ is nothing but delta y by delta x. Or we can take
You can find like the gradient of the line, right?
Gradient of the line. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 kiya to we'll get delta y by delta x. And that is equal to tan theta. This is the slope of the secant. We learned. But our intention kya hai? We have to find the slope of the tangent. For that purpose only, we are going for the secant se tangent jayenge. Okay. Now dekho. What if I reduce the delta x? Tell me, if I go on reducing the delta x, this Q, the line ka धीरे धीरे slow by slow it will reduce. If I go on reducing the delta x, correspondingly the delta y is also getting reduced, and the line is coming closer. The point Q is coming closer to the point P. Okay, एक particular instant में देखो slope of tangent बोलते हैं उसको. देखो, I am go on reducing the delta x closer. एक certain point में where P and Q is very closer, not overlapping, not zero पूरा, ये very closer रहेगा. And at that point में if I try to find tan theta, so what is the formula we'll get? Tan theta is nothing but dy by dx. Because देखो, suppose I will take this triangle outside. This is P, this is Q, this is rectangle triangle, right? And I told you small change in y is nothing but we call as dy, and small change in x is nothing but dx, and this is theta, right? And this is a tangent slope. Why tangent slope? Because we are bringing the we are reducing the delta x such a way that the q is coming closer, and it will reach very near to p. At that time, if I find a slope, that is nothing but point slope only. That is nothing but point slope. So what is for this slope? Tell me, tan theta is nothing but dy by dx is the point slope. So that means you have to understand. Theory they will not ask anything. Theory no one will ask. So one thing you have to understand is what is the purpose of differentiation? To find the point slope. Uske liye we are trying to find. Understood? So tan theta is equal to, just likho dy by dx. Tan theta is dy by dx is the formula we have to use. So now we will see how to find dy by dx वगैरह we will learn. Okay. Now उसके लिए some formulas are required. Some formulas differentiation के लिए formulas are required. देखो, write down formulas. Write down. If C is constant, differentiation constant is always 0. We are differentiating with respect to x with constant is 0. Second formula. See, suppose if you have y is equal to constant times u. Okay, u is any function of x. Any function of x. At that time, when you're doing differentiation, dy by dx when you're doing, c will be coming outside and du by dx will be there. C will be coming outside, du by dx will be there. Okay. Suppose मान लो d by dx of 3 Tell me, what is the answer? Rehan, tell me. Differentiation of 3 is constant, right? What is constant differentiation is? 0. So answer is 0. Tell me, d by dx of 5. Kitna value?
Equals 0.
0. Differentiation of constant value is always 0. That is first formula. Okay. Second formula. Suppose, ठीक है, वो होने के बाद x power n करने के बाद करेंगे. चलो, next one. If y is equal to x power n, okay, if y equal to x power n, differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 is the formula. N into x power n minus 1 is the formula. First, likho. I'll explain. When we're doing questions, you'll understand. So formula by add karo, n into x power n minus 1 is the formula. Suppose tell me, then bolo d by dx of x cube is there. Okay. Here n is what? N is 3, right?
Yeah,
So-
but I know. It's a 2x, 3x square.
Very good. Oh,
Yeah.
very good.
I've
3
learned this
into
before.
x power n minus 1 is 2. 3x square answer. Okay. Tell me. X power minus 2. You tell me, Anik. X power minus 2 formula क्या होगा? N into x power n
minus
minus
2x minus 3 raised to minus 3.
minus 2
Minus
into
2x
2x
minus
power
2x minus 3.
We should say like this, minus 2 x power minus 3 we should say. X power minus 3. Okay. Suppose मान लो, tell me d by dx of 3x square. देखो, here 3 is constant, right? Constant को क्या करने का? We have to bring outside. And remaining को we have to differentiate. Okay. So 3 will be coming outside. Differentiation of x square is how much? Differentiation of x square is
6x. Sorry, I was on mute.
2x. So multiply किया तो 6x है. तो मैं examples लिखो. Short form. Tell me d by dx of x.
0.
No.
No. Wait, it's a 1 only.
1. Differentiation of x. So these 3 formulas are should have out of level. Any constant number you are multiplying, that constant number will be coming outside, and remaining you have to differentiate. Okay. Covered? Next. Because ये पूरा आपको sincerely आपको mathematics tools learn किया तो आपको physics will be easy. Next. देखो. Formula of differential coefficient of trigonometric logarithm and exponential functions. So इसका सभी का differentiation formulas are there. तो formula first लिखो. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Cot x is minus cosecant square x. Like this. Like this formulas are there. लिखो. 9 formulas are there. अब इधर बैठ कर इलाज फॉर्मूलास ये बैठ करो इलाज एंड फॉर्मूलास देखो लेटर स्टार्टिंग सी माइनस आएगा देखो माइनस सी कोसेकेंट आल्सो माइनस आएगा this one how to read this one a power x का what is it how to read this one a power x log a to the base c read this log a to the base c इसको नेचुरल लॉग बोलते हैं आगे आगे वर्स में आएगा आपको डन ना इजी है ना आप बोलो ट्राई करो अली बोलो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ sin x
cos x
और cos x
minus sin x
okay tan x
sec square x
secant square x and cosecant x
um,
cot x का
minus minus
cosecant
cos x
square x
cos x
देखो cosecant square minus cot x equal 1 right so cot का minus cosecant square आएगा and ये वाला e for x का minus cosecant square x e for x का
e power x
a for x का differentiation
a power a raised to x log into a to the base e
a for x log a to the base c digital values okay and log x का differentiation is
1 by x
1 by x अरे आ गया
No, sir, one sec.
any questions are there we'll do all this properly. Suppose tell me y is equal to 3 4x what is dy by dx मतलब we are differentiating this function with respect to x tell me what is the answer this is nothing but a power x is है ना a is number a power x what is the formula a power x log a to the base c so मेरा a power x log a to the base c okay suppose y is equal to log x. Tell me, Rehan. What is the answer?
What? If
Log
it's
x का differentiation is
that's
1 by x. Log x का differentiation is 1 by x. वो formulas learn किया तो आएगा easy, नहीं तो नहीं आएगा. Okay. Sin cos minus sin ऐसे रहेगा. Okay. चल. Now एक kinematics में बहुत useful होगा. However, we are dealing एक kinematics में आपको learn करना पड़ेगा when position time graph का differentiation if you do, you'll get velocity. And velocity का differentiation if you do, you'll get acceleration. So I told you in kinematics में displacement, velocity, acceleration. When you differentiate ds by dt, displacement, you'll get velocity. When you differentiate velocity, dv by dt, with time के साथ differentiate करने का, you'll get acceleration. Okay. If they given displacement in terms of time, how to get acceleration? आपको 2 बार differentiate करने का. 2 times we have to differentiate. Because see, how to get acceleration when displacement is given? First differentiate you will get velocity. Second differentiation you will get acceleration. That time उसको कैसे बोलेगा? d square x by dt square. d square x by dt square. This is second differentiation. 2 बार differentiate करने से आपको you will get displacement acceleration आने के लिए. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ कर लिखो. Short form liquidity. Very important. A differentiation, how it will help in kinematics? This is an example where we use totally in kinematics. Differentiation and integration is a fully formula based. Finish, right? So you understand this one. Algebra differentiation. Algebra में what they will do, they will mix together, combine together. So how to do the differentiation? Just each term, suppose I given y is equal to u plus or minus v plus or minus v, w is there. So each and every term का differentiation you have to do. This one u का, v का and w का. Tell me y is equal to x square plus e for x plus a for x. Tell me. Rehan bolo. dy by dx is how much? This is algebra. You have to differentiate each and every term ko. That is called algebra. Okay. Tell me. X square ka differentiation is?
oh that's 2x.
2x plus e for x ka e for x only.
Yeah.
And
How?
a for x ka?
How is e for x? E for x?
Formulas dekho. E for x ka e for x differentiation is e for x only.
Fine, yeah.
Okay. And a for x ka?
A for x only. A for x only.
Who told? A for x is different, E for x is different. A is a constant number. It can be 3 for x, 4 for x, 5 for x. These all are A for x. E for is E only. So A for x log A as a basic. So this is called algebra of differentiation. Algebra means we have to differentiate each term in the expression. That is called algebra. Okay. That's why if they given y is equal to u plus or minus v plus or minus w, आपको differentiation करने के लिए each and every term को you have to differentiate with respect. This is called algebra. Formula तो same है. That 9 formulas, 10 formulas only. And tell me, suppose they given y is equal to x square minus 1 by 2. dy by dx is how much?
Can you move a bit?
Differentiation with respect to x is how much? N into x power n minus 1, right? So
minus 1 by 2x raised to minus
Or?
3 by 2.
minus 3/2.
3/2.
N into x power n minus 1. N is power wala. N into x power n minus 1. Minus 1/2 minus 1 if you take LCM minus 3/2. Okay. चलो क्वेश्चंस करेंगे अभी और मिक्सिंग टुगेदर करने वाले थे.
1 minute.
Right, Ryan? Done?
Yeah, wait once. Done.
चल न्यूमेरिकल्स करने का एक एक का आंसर बोलते जाओ. चलो डिफरेंशिएट ईच टर्म एंड कंप्लीट होने के बाद बोलो. Ryan, root means you know, right? Whole power how much? Root means whole power.
What?
Root x means what?
Like
Whole power?
square root.
No, square root means what is meaning?
Like how do I do x root? It's just x, right?
नहीं, dy by dx is root is nothing but आपको nothing but x power 1/2. ना करो. Root is nothing but x power 1/2.
Yeah.
Now differentiate. Use x power n formula and solve.
It's 0.5x, right?
0.5 ने मतलब बोलो, fraction बोल दो.
1/2x.
Why you tell me what formula you tell me, Ryan? X power n का formula is what, tell me?
X power n.
हाँ.
Like
formula.
you just bring the power down.
Formula बोलो. X power n formula is n into. Read the formula. Without formula, nothing will come. N into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. That only always paired. Here n is what? 1/2 into x power n minus 1 means 1/2 minus 1. So 1/2 x power 1 minus 2 is minus 1/2. This is the answer. Something मत बोलो. Use the formula every time. Check formula. This is algebra. Each and every term को we have to differentiate. Much by dy by dx is how much? N into x power n minus 1. So 5 into x power 4 plus 4 into
4x power 3.
cube plus
0.
0. Next, इसका आंसर बोलो. अभी
2x minus 2x raised to minus 3/2 plus 6x raised to minus
6x whole power.
minus 3.
Yes. N into x power n minus 1. Yeah. Whenever constant is there, we have to bring outside. So dy by dx क्या होगा? Differentiate on both sides. Differentiate. So x square का क्या है? N into x power n minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Plus 4 is constant number. It will come outside. 4 bracket open. X power minus 1/2 का differentiate बोलो रेहान में. X power minus 1/2 का differentiation is n into x power n minus 1. N is 1 minus 1/2 minus 1. Okay. Minus 3 is coming outside. N into x power minus 2, right? Minus 2 into x power n minus 1. So answer is 2x minus 2x power minus 3/2 plus 6x power minus 3. So formulas very important. आपको इतना अच्छा आएगा कि आपको काइनेमेटिक्स में उतना इजी फ्लो हो जाएगा. नहीं तो एवरी स्टेप में स्टॉप प्रॉब्लम्स डिफरेंशिएशन इंटीग्रेशन में खराब हो जाएगा. ओके. चलो आंसर.
Sir, do we have to bring 3 down?
Yeah.
Then we have to apply quotient rule, no?
नहीं हो सकते हैं भाई क्वेश्चन रूल कांस्टेंट का भी क्वेश्चन रूल है कांस्टेंट को बाहर लेके आओ
You just need to
नहीं
differentiate 4x square minus 5, right?
कुछ भी करो आंसर बोलो
I got 8x by 3.
8x by 3
Like,
देखो
cause like it's 3y.
या y को I'm 3 को I'm bringing this side क्या होगा टेल में 4 by 3x square minus 5 by 3 फिर व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन रूल कुछ नहीं है ओके 5 by 3 नाउ डिफरेंशिएट dy by dx सो क्या होगा 4 by 3 इज अ कांस्टेंट नंबर को बाहर ले लो 4 by 3 into differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of constant is 0 so it is 8x by 3 is the answer. See when we are
That
to
only
apply
I said.
question, huh?
That only I said.
Yeah, correct. So we have to rearrange. Okay, no karo. Oh, no. Root y is equal to x minus 1 is saying to find dy by dx.
Zero only, right?
No. Y 0. Constant number is there. X is there, right?
If x is differentiated, it's 1 only.
Wrong.
What?
Karo, understand, do. Don't simply.
So 2x minus 2.
2x minus 2. Yes. Correct. देखो root y is equal to x minus 2 is there. He is asking dy by dx, not root y नहीं है. So root को निकाल दो. Root को निकालने के लिए we have to do squaring of both sides. So y square is equal to x minus 1 whole square. So a minus b whole square is what? A square plus b square minus 2x. This is a y. Sorry. When we do squaring of both sides, root and square will cancel, right? Y is equal to आ गया. Now differentiate. Now dy by dx करो. Each and every term को differentiate. So 2x differentiation of 1 is 0 minus 2 will be coming outside. Differentiation of x is 1. So 2x minus 2 is 1. क्या understood? Y का differentiation, not root y का differentiation. See, with respect to x you are doing. Suppose मान लो you tell me like this is there. Y is equal to 2t square plus 3 is there suppose. What is dy by dt? dy by dt is how much? With respect to time we are doing. Formula तो same है. Formula तो same like exponent जैसा. Tell me, Rehan, tell me. dy by dt means 2 will be coming outside. And differentiation of t square is how much?
It's 4t, that part. 4t.
Yeah. No, inside you tell me. Bracket inside is 2t.
Or 2t.
And differentiation of constant is 0. So it is 4. Like exponential formula we have to use always. Understood? Chalo. Acceleration, you know already, rate of change of velocity. dv by dt kiya to you will get acceleration. He's asking find the acceleration at t equal 1 second from v is equal to 3t square minus 1. He's asking find the acceleration.
Sir, we have to tell units or not?
No units. Units बोल सकते हो नहीं आता है
6 meter per
You don't
second.
meters per
Second
seconds?
square.
Yeah. How much answer you got finally?
6 only.
It's देखो आता है ना y we are differentiating acceleration is d by d. 3 is coming outside. Differentiation of t square is 2t. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So it is 60. But I want acceleration at t equal 1 second. Acceleration at t equal to 1 second. So just substitute t ke jagah 1. So 1 into 6 is t. 6. Exactly. Sure. So next one. Okay. Y is equal to root x minus 3x square. Find dy by dx. Root means whole power 1 by 2. Do that. How much time?
I'm doing it. Two x power 1 by 2 minus 6x.
First one is the root x is nothing but what? Whole power?
X 1 by 2.
Whole power 1 by 2. So exponent formula लगाओ कितना आएगा?
2x power 1 by 2.
First tell me form step by step बोलो बाद में 2x minus 1 by 2 बोलो. N is how much here?
What?
N is how much?
X 2.
So this is the thing, right? Y is equal to. Tell me dy by dx. Tell me. Which formula you using there? Tell me. X power n का difference formula क्या है? Tell me.
I'm not doing all that. Like I'm using the method. Like,
ऐसे method एक छोड़ दो. X power n का differentiation tell me. Answer tell me. Differentiation formula tell me. X power n का.
X power like n minus n. N minus 1.
No, read the formula. C and tell me the formula. X power n का differentiation is
N x n minus 1.
n into x power n minus 1. 5 times बोलो.
N into x power n minus 1. N
बोलो.
into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1.
You can able to identify n or not? Question में. You can able to identify n or not? Here n is what? Comparison में.
X.
Here n is what?
Oh, minus 3.
What year one? You tell me in this number में. In this power. You are telling y is equal to x power n. What is dy by dx? Will be n into x power n minus 1, right? Compare karo. If I given x square, n is what? 2. X cube if I given, n is what? 3. X power 5 if I given, n is what? 5. N you have to identify. You can't able to identify. See, here x power n is there. N is how much here? 1 by 2. Not x. N 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2. Now tell me. 1 by 2 into x power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Minus 3 will be coming outside. Differentiation of x square. Here n is what? N is what here? 2. Identify कर सकते हैं ना? X power n का tell me. X power 5. N is what?
5.
वो बोलो. Then only you can substitute here 5 into x power 5 minus 1. I substitute कर सकते हैं. I say x square का differentiation is 2 into x power n minus 1 means 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 minus 3 into 6x. This is answer. फॉर्मूला सर्च करो. फॉर्मूला के नथिंग समथिंग किया तो अभी टाइम पास के लिए 1-2 क्वेश्चंस विल गेट आंसर, बट रिमेनिंग नहीं आएगा, आगे रुक जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई वेरी केयरफुल टू अंडरस्टैंड. रीड द फॉर्मूला बाय हार्ट. द फॉर्मूला, यूज द फॉर्मूला, सी एंड डू, नो प्रॉब्लम. एक्सपोनेंट समझ में आता है? एक्सपेंड करो. y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x dy by dx. See, y is equal to 1 by x square को ऊपर लेके आए तो I can write like this, x power minus 2. Same, right? X power minus 2 minus 2x. Now differentiate. Here, Rayan, n is what? N is what here? -2. Power वाला जो भी power है that is called n.
-2.
लो करो चलो. How much you got, Anik?
-2x raised to -3 -2.
So dy by dx is n into x for n minus 1. So -3, and differentiation of -2x is -2.
-2.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, brother. So use dy by dx. So you can split the expression. This denominator belongs to both, right? I can write this 3x by x square minus 5 by x square. Okay, x cancel. So ऊपर गया तो क्या होगा? 3x4 minus 1 minus 5 x square ऊपर गया तो क्या होगा? It will go up, means it is x4 minus 2. Right? Now differentiate. What is dy by dx? So a constant into the sum, right? Constant will be coming outside. x for n का फॉर्मूला क्या है? n into n is -1 into x for n -1. So -1 is -2. इसका हो गया. -5 का डिफरेंशिएशन बाहर आ जाएगा, -5. And differentiation of x for -2 is n into x for n -1 minus. So क्या होगा? -3x for -2 minus of minus plus 10x for minus. So formula बहुत helpful है. x for n का formula is there. Only one formula we are learning till now. Only one for x for n का formula only we are learning, right? चलो. Now देखते करो. So here x is equal to given, but I is asking dy by dx. Y function चाहिए. So first you have to bring rearrange करके y लेके आओ. So from this, what is
Sir,
y?
-9x y raised to -2.
What answer? कितना?
-9x y raised to -2.
No, wrong. देखो, first dy by dx means y लेके आने का, right? You have to rearrange it to bring y. Tell me y square is equal to x by 9. This 9 I will send this side, x by 9. Y will be how much? Root x
It's infinity.
by 3. No. Root x by 3. Now you understand this one? Y को इधर भेजो तो root x by root of 9 is 3. देखा है? No substitute. dy by dx. dy by dx will be 1 by 3 is constant. 1 by 3 will be coming outside. And differentiation of x for 1 by 2 will be how much? N into x for n minus 1. So -1 by 2. So it is, so final answer is 1 by 6 x for -1 by 2.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Can't we take that 9y and towards x and then
What 9 by towards x?
we have 9y square. In that we can take 9y and then transpose it towards x.
नहीं कुछ नहीं. आपको y फंक्शन चाहिए. Y फंक्शन we don't know. X terms में है ना. So you have to rearrange to get y always. Then only you can solve. So 9 ko you brought this side. So what will be the answer? X by 9. And y square is x by 9. Y is equal to how much? Root x by 3.
Okay.
Now you got y function in terms of x, then only you have to differentiate. Then tell me x for n ka formula will be?
X power n.
n into x for n
X
minus
power
1. Formula सब learn करना पड़ेगा. Compulsory. These are things very important. Differentiation, integration. थोड़ा people को difficult लगेगा, but there is no other way. Simple निकाल के time pass के लिए किया तो problem हो जाएगा. So all things are required. Okay. चलो. एक अब all are x for n का better only easy. हो गया अनिक?
Sir, 1 minute.
इसमें a, b, c are constant. It will come outside. First one there, you know. First one. Tell me dy by x first one कितना होगा?
Wait, I just copied them all down.
Only of it. Copy. Tell me. X for n is how much?
N 7/2.
Good. Now tell me. N into n is 7/2 into x power n minus 1. 7/2 minus 1. So कितना होगा? 7/2 x power
3.5 x to the power of 2.5.
decimal don't tell, fraction will tell me. So LCM if you take how much? 7 minus 2 is 5/2.
5/2.
This is the answer. Fraction नहीं बोलेगा, you should tell always this one there. Decimal you should not tell. And you know second one, differentiation of x is
Oh,
1.
dy by dx is 1. ऐसा solve करो एक एक. Whenever constant you are multiplying, constant को outside you take, and in x power 4 को you are differentiate. Similarly 6 को you take outside, x power 3/2 को differentiate. 9 को take outside, x को differentiate. टू क्लास में हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट 2 क्लास में differentiation done. That time I'll keep test on differentiation and trigonometry. दोनों मिलके I'll keep.
Answer.
Tell answers.
Y. Okay. 20x raised to 3 plus 9x raised to 1/2.
हाँ. Plus 9 आएगा.
हाँ, plus 9. नहीं, 0 आएगा.
Why? 9 will come outside. Differentiation of x is 1.
Yeah.
Plus 9 will get.
Okay.
This one.
15x raised to 4 minus 3 plus x raised to minus 2.
Minus 3 plus
X raised to minus 2.
Okay, here.
Minus 3 x raised to minus 4.
Here.
5x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 2x raised to minus 1 by 2.
And the second next one,
2x plus
2ax plus b.
b.